Hi, this is Love My Babies. I just want to share with you guys my little outfits I got from the Early Bird Preemie Store. This one here is cute little footed jammies. It's got the little fold over mittens, which I love for newborns. They have preemie sizes, and this one's actually 7 to 10 pounds, which is kind of petite, which I'm glad, because it'll fit my reborns better. It's got a little button on the side here, and it has a little tie on the inside. I like it because I actually saw this little outfit that I got too. Just a little t-shirt, and it's got the little tie in the inside. It's got the little tie on the side, and it comes with these cute little pants that are opened at the bottom. They fold over. It's got a little, it says Early Birds on the little bottom. I saw this on a reborn, which pulled me to look up preemie outfits, because it was on a preemie. And yeah, they have a Preemie Store, Early Birds Preemie Store. They have good sales. These were each $17 on sale, which they started off, I think, at like $34, so I thought that was pretty reasonable. They're all 100% organic cotton. The shipping was like $5, but I guess you gotta expect to pay that when you buy stuff online. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. These are both, as I said, they're newborn, 7 to 10 pounds. But select items, they do have smaller. It's cute. This has little birds and sunshines on them. And I love the little fold over mitts. I love those. But yeah, so thanks for sharing again. Bye.